As part of GAF Commercial's focus to build a better commercial for you, the Tapered Design Group is a tremendous resource for architects, specifiers, and building owners looking to be successful. Providing a unique approach to roofing that allows for a more efficient use of materials and a more aesthetically pleasing finished product, GAF's Tapered Design solutions are the result of years of research and development and are the most advanced and efficient products on the market today. But it is more than just products, way more. The Tapered Design Group at GAF is focused and dedicated to providing the quality that only comes with years of experience and knowledge. The true value of GAF Commercial's Tapered Design Group is what it can do for you. More than just products, we are focused and dedicated to providing a complete solution specific to your project needs. All flat roofs are not the same. They need to work in ways that are not solved using conventional products and methods. They are solved through creative design, engineering, and experience to provide a solution that works. We are the experts that experts turn to. They turn to us to help solve problems beyond just a flat roof that performs. They come to us to help with the entire project. Critical items such as labor, budget, time, and difficult or unique applications. A project needs to deal with all of these issues. The Tapered Design Group at GAF Commercial is here to work with you on your important projects, large or small, to provide the specific results and performance you need.